In today's video, we're gonna make a hearty chicken noodle soup, but we're gonna make it really fast because we're starting out with cooked rotisserie chicken, and that's gonna save us a lot of time. All right, so I'm gonna start by chopping some onions. I hate doing this. I usually buy them frozen and pre-chopped for recipes like this, where I wanna get dinner on the table really fast. So fresh onions, frozen chopped onions, whatever it is that helps you, that's what you do. So I've got some celery that I'm coarsely chopping. You can also buy a frozen mirepoix, which is onions, celery, and carrots. You can start with that, but you probably want more carrots than just the starting, or frozen carrots too. So my pot is hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it because I'm gonna saute these veggies real quick. I'm gonna add the onions and the celery to the pot, nice and sizzly over there. And our carrots, give everything a good stir. So now that my veggies have softened up, I'm gonna add my seasoning. I have some parsley and thyme. I'm gonna leave the measurements right below the video for you, as well as some chicken broth or stock and some water. I'm gonna add a bay leaf or two in there for good measure. And of course, the rotisserie chicken saves us lots of time. I already shredded it really quickly. I've got a video in this rotisserie chicken series showing you how you can shred rotisserie chicken in under a minute. And pasta. When it comes to chicken noodle soup, everybody likes their own type of noodle. Some people like the egg noodles or fideos. My kids love the thin angel hair or fideos, which I couldn't find. So I can just take some angel hair and cut it into pieces. They're all gonna go in very coarse like that. When it comes to quick and healthy meals, nothing is perfect here. Homemade is better than not made. Let's give this a good stir. Now what's great about this is that I just have to bring it to a boil to cook long enough to cook my noodles in here. Now we want to bring our soup to a simmer, and once it's simmering, we're gonna put our lid on, turn down our heat, and cook it for 10 minutes. Let's clean up, I'll be back. All right guys, so quick, smells so good in here. Let me show you how hearty and delicious this is. I couldn't even taste it, it's so hot. But I make this all the time, so I already know it's good. I gave you all the shortcuts to make this epic recipe at home any night of the week. Even if you pick up a rotisserie chicken from the store on the way, make sure you check out the other rotisserie chicken recipes in this series so you can get dinner on the table really fast. See you next time.
It's so hot.
So hot. So good. Make it.